All right, we are ready for lesson 4.3. It was only 2 lessons ago that we were discussing patterns and we were moving decimals to the right or to the left. And you've got that down now, and that is going to help you out. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and get started. Here's our first problem. 7 9/10 times 3. Notice it's written horizontally. If we were back 2 chapters ago and we were just multiplying whole numbers, I would still tell you, make it a vertical problem. Make it a vertical problem. Same thing applies to this problem. Let's go ahead, change it around a little bit, make it a little bit more working friendly, all right? So we're going to change this times 3, and we're just going to move it down below, just like this, times 3. All right, here it is. All you have to do is pretend the decimal point's not there. While you're working the problem, while you're multiplying, you don't care where it is right now. Just multiply. Okay? Here we go. 3 times 9 is 27. That's right. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 2 up here. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2, 23. I know, you guys are quick. I know you're going faster than I am. All right, now, slow down. Now, we have to look how many digits are to the right of the decimal in my problem. Just this one. There's only one digit that's to the right. So now look at your product, look at your answer, start over here on the right, and move your decimal point 1 place. That is our answer, 23 and 7/10. So think about this. If these were whole numbers, let's just say we're estimating. 7.9 would be like 8. 8 times 3. We know that 8 times 3 is 24. All right. My answer is really close to 24. But say you're in a hurry someday and you totally disregard the decimal point placement, your answer would be 237 because you forgot to deal with that decimal point. Now, does that make sense? If you did your estimate of 8 times 3 and you got 24, then you would know 237 is not even in the ballpark. So we're going to be talking more about estimating, but I want you to see that's why we have to figure that decimal point back in. 1 digit to the right, we're going to move it, and there it is. All right, let's do another one, just for practice. All right, get this erased. I hope, as always, I hope that you have paper and pencil out and you're doing problems with me. On this one, go ahead, if you haven't done it yet, pause and get your pencil and paper. All right, while I am writing this on here, 2 1800. And I would do it horizontally, but you and I know we're going to make it a vertical problem anyway. So let's just go ahead and do it now. So 2 1800 times, let's just choose 5. It's just for practice. All right, disregard the, what am I going to say? Decimal point. We don't care where it is right now. Just do the math. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 1 is 5 plus the 4. 5 times 2 is 10. All right. Now, we're just going to take a mental note right now. If we were estimating and we wanted to make sure that we were in the ballpark, it's close to the whole number 2. And 2 times 5 is 10. If we walked away from our problem right now, 1,000? Yeah, you see the problem there. So let's go back and finish it. There are 2 digits to the right of the decimal in our problem. Between our 2 factors, we have 2 digits to the right. So we're going to start over here. 2 digits. Ready? 1, 2. Now our answer is 10 and 90 hundredths. Works for me. All right, go practice, guys. Keep your pencil and paper out. Make some more problems of your own with a whole number times. Just use a smaller, don't get carried away. Use a smaller decimal. Keep practicing.